along while I was cutting down the paper, because this is a lot of paper to cut down, and I bored myself cutting it down. So I said I'm not going to bring you guys along to cut down the paper. And this is the scraps from the cut paper that we'll use later on in the journal. That and the little scraps from the top of the paper that I'll use. Oh, that's that. Then this, I think I'm going to add, this is mixed media paper from our list book. Get it at Michael's. At first I was going to add a lot of it, but then I said no, because I could pull pages out of here, and even if I wanted to do mixed media, I'll do mixed media on the back of anything. I don't care if it buckles, but I could do mixed media. So I'm just gonna add it in. I said I don't want to waste, you know, any good mixed media paper in my use it up journal. That I think I do want to hoard until I use it. Not hoard, but you know what I mean. The purpose of this journal is to use up all the stuff that I wouldn't, or, you know, I don't know what I'm trying to say. But here, I'm going to add the cards. You know, these are the cards from the Hot Buy at Michael's. I'm just going to add them in. Just stick them in. And later, if I want to move them, I can move them because it's not bound yet. Just add them in to get them in there. Where's the cards? Where's that? Here they are. Envelopes, because I was not using these up fast enough, so I said let me add them in here. Really, I shouldn't be taking care of where I want to put it, because this is just to get it in here, and I can always move it later. Yeah, that's what I like about using a more interactive binding. Move it around, do what you want to do with it later on. Just gonna add it in here. And that way I could play with it, almost like a flowish kind of journal too, in the magazines that we get. So it costs $1 million. Although I was able to get a flow journal over Christmas, but I wasn't able to tell anyone to run and go get it, because I think Barnes & Noble was selling the flow journals. Not the flow journals, flow magazine. I got it for $13. They were running some kind of sale, and I was half paying attention, not really paying attention to it. So I was wondering why the lady ahead of me had a whole bunch of magazines, card magazines. And I did see the sign, but I kind of wasn't paying attention because a lot was going on around the Christmas break. And I wasn't able to tell people, I think they're selling their things for half price. Their flow journals, magazines for half price. So $13 for a flow magazine for paper lovers was a good price. So that's all I'm doing right now, is adding these envelopes, not envelopes, the cards and the envelopes that I do want to use up into here. I'm not caring where I'm putting it right now. I'm just adding them because I can move it later. So I just wanted to come on and show you where, how far I got. Oh, God. And this didn't put a dent like I said, I had 4 of the envelopes. You know, the $5 buys. What are they called? Something buys from Michael's, and I had 4 card boxes. Let me use this up. And this didn't put it down because I only took, I think, 4 cards from each box, and I still have a full box. So I definitely want to use this in projects. Maybe I should just start sending them to my family. Just say hi. They probably would appreciate it. Oh, you're thinking of me. Instead of calling and say, just say hi. Or how you doing? Just thinking about you. That's a good idea, actually. You know, get a nice handwritten note. You don't have to, you know, talk long. Just say hi. Just thinking of you. I may do that. See me, I would be like, wait a minute. You didn't put nothing else in the cup. No, let me stop. And I'm not going to explain that if you don't know what that means. But for now, it's my family members. You didn't put money in my car. No, teasing. Okay, I guess you had to be there and be a member of my family and understand it. But anyway, thank you for watching. Like I said, I'm just going in and adding these envelopes to my, oh, I didn't make it that big. It's getting heavy though. To my journal. This is going to be my, again, my big mini use it up junk journal, or whatever I want it to be. Journal. That's what, whatever this book becomes, is what it's going to be. But it's the big mini too, because I showed you the big mini. Well, anyway, I'm going to just sit here and finish putting the cards in. And I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.